What's good, y'all? It's your boy Lambo 14, and I'm back with another video. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. My Walmarts are finally starting to get what I'm trying to say. Today's video, we're gonna be unboxing another figure that I got from Walmart earlier today. What I picked, Elite 84, has finally came in the stores. So there was a few figures that I didn't have or what I wanted, but I didn't have the money for it. So I just bought this one figure. You already know by the title of the video. I got Elite 84 Roman Reigns with the Wreck Everyone and Leave t-shirt. I mean, this Roman Reigns figure is really cool and all that, but I just wanted the figure for the shirt, to be honest. Because, like, come on, everybody wants the shirt, obviously. But without further ado, enough talking, let's get straight into the unboxing. Let me know what you think of this little thing going on where I don't show my face. I just show you the figure and all that. Like wrestling hero figs and My Damn Toys or whatever. But let me know. Because I'm just dang it. I cut it from the wrong side. But it's alright though, it's alright. I hope everyone is having a good day. I'm out for summer break. Actually, I've been out for summer break for almost a good minute. So there ain't nothing new about it. I hope to anybody that was in school or anything like that this year, I hope everyone's having a good summer break right now. Even though it's the middle of June. Well, not really the middle, but like, even though it's June, I don't go back to school until August 8th, I believe. Yeah, 8th. So, I mean, only got like 2 months off, which is kind of stupid. But I don't know. As always, I keep the box. Then I'm done with the knife. Just sort of set that down right there. So what all comes with this figure is, actually I'll show you one by one, really. So what comes with the figure is the obviously Wreck Everyone and Lee t-shirt. Really cool, to be honest. Like, I mean, when they showed us this t-shirt, I was really hyped for it because everyone in the wrestling figure community, they always wanted this shirt. Everybody's getting theirs custom made, but when they released this figure, that was like, man, forget the custom made, you know? So yeah, we got that. Then, oh my god. Yeah. So next up, it comes with a interchangeable head with the bun. Be a really cool interchangeable head. So there, right there. It comes with interchangeable hands. comes with open-handed hands and some. I forgot what these hand suggesters were called. So like I completely forgot. Like they used to. I forgot what they meant. Oh my God. See, the one thing about figures, it's always hard for a figure to come out right nowadays. So we got the frame to it, and everything's out of the box now. And now the moment, well, actually not really the moment, but like, you know. So, okay, alright. So, and then here it goes, the official Roman Reigns action figure. To be honest, the vest is really cool. I like the vest because the ones where that like this part without the doll, like the you know what I'm talking about. But like I was gonna get the Roman Reigns with the from the Elite 79 for the vest, but I was like, I have too many Roman Reigns. I don't really want it. No, not the Elite 79. I meant the top picks 2020. But yeah, this vest is really this action figure is really cool all the way. And I don't think there's any problems with the arms this time. But I'm just gonna use the blow dryer for just in case. Like you gotta loosen it, so that way it's like playable kind of, so that you can use it for pick feds, all that. So this set the figure right here, and yeah. So then get the box and the frame. And just put it right back in the box. Excuse me. And then just hang it up on my little wall. There it goes. So basically, yeah, this is everything that I got. I'm just gonna show y'all real quick. So the open grab hands right there, and the little thing. I don't know what it's called. Let me know. Let me know in the comments below what's it called, because I completely forgot. Got the interchangeable head right there, and the Wreck Everyone in Lee t-shirt. But yeah, there's the figure. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video, whenever. But hey, much love, y'all. Peace.